Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making green chicken without cream, healthy way. Water, salt as per taste, broccoli 250 grams, boil for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now make fine paste, keep aside. In a same pan, oil 2 tablespoons, boneless chicken 150 grams, salt as per taste, pepper powder half tablespoon, garlic powder half tablespoon. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now chicken is tender. In a same pan, oil 2 tablespoons, finely chopped garlic half tablespoon, Thai green curry paste half tablespoon, broccoli paste. Mix everything. Water half cup. Give a nice mix. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now add coconut milk half cup. Cook for 5 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.